Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create realistic motion videos using Viggle AI. To create the videos using Viggle AI, you first have to simply have it. So to use it, you have to get a Discord, and basically on a Discord, you have to get the Mid Journey. So for that, you can just simply search for Mid Journey. You will get onto its website, and after that you have to join its server on the Discord. You have to scroll down and you will see the option for join our server. Simply click onto it and you will join its Discord server. Then you can simply go to the Mid Journey board section. There you have the access to the Viggle AI. So what you have to do is you have to simply provide any picture and it will convert into a motion image. So first you have to simply upload any image from your system that you want to use in the Viggle AI. Once you have added, you have to press the slash and you will see this option for the Viggle. Now Viggle has different prompts through which you can create different sort of images. So basically you have to simply add the image, and after that you have to add the prompt, or the already prompt will be there. Like here we have the random prompt, so it will generate any random stuff. Then you can click on to generate, or else you can press the enter key by clicking onto this prompt section and the command will be sent. Now if you want to see what it can do, is it has different features. So for that you can click onto it and click on open app, and here you will see the list of prompt, and these are actually the services, the features that it performs. Like it animate your images, it transform them, you can do the realistic motion to it. So here you can upload two images, like one image and one video, and it will combine them into another sort of realistic video. So you can either animate any video, or you can turn it into motion graphics, or you can do face swaps. There's so many different options. Simply upload any video or any image, and in the motion prompt you can explain what sort of changings you need. Here I'm just gonna tell it to dance, and in the background I'm going with the default one, and submit it. Now this process will take around 5 to 10 minutes, and after that we will get the results. So here you can see the result. It has converted that image into a dancing motion video. So that's how you can also convert your photos into some motion graphics. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.